In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can clear your Snapchat cache here on an iPhone. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you'd probably want to do this if Snapchat is lagging, freezing, acting buggy, or just taking up a lot of storage. Clearing this cache will help you out a lot, but what you're going to want to do is actually back out of Snapchat and open up the Settings app, and then scroll down on the Settings app a little bit until you see this General tab and open that up. Once you're in General, go ahead and scroll down a little bit. You're going to see an iPhone storage tab. Select that, and then in this section where it says Applications to search, just go ahead and type in Snapchat. It'll make it a little bit easier, and as you can see, Snapchat's actually taking up a ton of storage for me right now. Go ahead and open it up and then hit offload app, and this is just going to remove the app itself, keep your documents and data, and free up any storage used by cache. Confirm by tapping offload one more time, and after offloading, reinstall it, and your data will still be there when the app downloads again. It should now be running a lot smoother though and using a lot less storage. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.